Opportunity for Bauer now, having just come back onto the ground, but he's put it straight out of bounds on the full. And it will be a free kick to the Swans in the left back pocket to be taken by Browning, will it be? Yes.
We'll have trouble getting that one back for a while because it's up in the stand that's being built.
So first come, first served up there. I wonder who's going to go up and get that.
I think we've lost 2 balls already today, haven't we?
At least 2. Yeah, that could be rather painful. Now somebody's got it, has he?
No, it's up in the stand.
Right on the edge of the gutter, and it won't come down. So a new ball coming out. We'll see who's game enough to go up there and fox that.
Well, Craig Davis can still kick well anyway.
That beautifully.
Well done, Craig. And the football's nice, guys.